Want to transform raw data into stunning visuals and uncover hidden insights? First, head over to the Tableau website and locate the free trial or the download link for Tableau Desktop. Remember to select the correct version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, double-click the executable file to begin the installation. The installation wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen prompts, carefully review the license agreement and accept it. To proceed, choose your preferred installation location. The default setting is generally recommended for now. The installation process itself will begin. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Now, it is time to configure Tableau Desktop. The system will ask for your information. If you intend to use the trial, you can fill in the needed credentials. Otherwise, sign in with your license key. With the application up and running, you have successfully installed and configured Tableau Desktop. Explore the welcome screen, which offers sample workbooks, access to data sources, and more. Now you are ready to connect to your data, create compelling visualizations, and start uncovering the stories within your data.